Hello, it's your fellow scruffy nerf herder, Todd Jumper. This is just a short unboxing video. Some guy on the internet named MightMouse74 sent me a box in the mail. And I just got it today. And I'm going to open it on camera. Just a moment. Sorry, the light in here is really crappy. Just moved into this new apartment. This is Leo. He's my roommate's kitty. He's gonna be helping me unbox today. Get your claws out, help me unbox it. Come on. Here, no, don't lick yourself. Open the box. Come on. Open the box. Open it. Open it. Come on. Alright, I guess I'll open it. Just a moment. Let me get my knife. Alright, let's see if I can do this with one hand. I can do other things with one hand, so we'll figure it out. There's one side cut. What's in there, huh? It's not a kitty toy. What's in there? Okay, maybe I can't do this one-handed. Be right back. And we're back. I got it opened up. Looks like he sent me some reading material. I'll sit on the toilet later and find out what's going on in the Amsterburg Rivertown Times. I don't know who that is. Here, kitty, you can pee on that. There you go. Nice bubble wrap. I'll have fun with that later. And he sent me something that I cannot find down this way. I'm sure a couple of you guys are going to be jealous. It's stuck. So we thought this guy was dead, but apparently he's back on TV. So I'm going to drop it. Sit right there. Transformer Red Starscream. Making you dizzy yet? I'll have to open it. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a review or not. I'm using my phone, so I don't really have my camera for doing reviews. Holy crap, he sent me something else in the box. What's in there? No, he did not send me this. He told me he didn't have one. Well, holy crap. Thanks, Ron. You made my day. That's Transformers Titans Return Wheelie. Can't find him anywhere either. Now I guess I really am going to have to make you that t-shirt. Or come up to Canada and snuggle with you for that. Anyway, thank you very much for both these generous gifts, and I know it costs a lot of ship to from Canada. I really appreciate it, and I will be putting these on my shelf soon. And have a good day. Thank you.